guys, welcome back to a new, I suppose not more farm video, but an unboxing video. And today, we have a new model, so I am probably going to be leaving in the next couple of minutes or something. So I'm going to have to make this a quick one. How am I supposed to turn this around? The best way is probably going around this way. And first track tape there. And now we put it straight across. Oh, come on. Yeah. So, as you probably know from the post I put up. Right, so I'm close this door here. There we go. No background noise. So, if the quality is a bit different, I'm recording on a different phone because the other one I use is dead. It's dead. I'm just not realizing this is sorry to say. The last two models I've got have both been New Holland, which is nice. So this is the actual model. It's a New Holland FR850. And also, I only recorded the last 54 seconds of me unboxing it. It's a lovely, lovely model. The Viking one, that's like probably half the size, but I'm fine with the size it is. So yeah, it's a lot thicker. That's my entire hand width. Thick thing. It is the Prestige Collection. 14 plus. I have multiple of those models, including the TM. So we're going to take her out of the box now. I'm probably going to record the rest of this video standing because I feel like it's scissors. So I do plan to keep this box. A good tip for anybody getting into models: always keep the box because you never know, you might want to resell it, and best to resell it with the original box. So try not to damage it when you're opening things. Right. Nice. Come on. There we go. Bring it back a bit. Put it on the side now. Hot glue. There's hot glue everywhere in this room. Wow, this is such a nice one. Right, we're going to turn it on its side here. So when I take off this, it doesn't fall out. First you, then the other side. Nope. Alright, now oh, there's more. There's more tape. There's more tape. There we go. That's that off. Right, where do I put this? Right, we're going to grab the harvester first. Oh, I hate that sound. Styrofoam. Why did they make this? Okay, I think we'll get the headers out first. First we have the maize / corn. What was up here? The tape is full as well. So that's that fully folded. There now. That's actually nice. That's damn nice actually. No, it don't. So that'll be great for our main side. Around. Great. And now we have the cross pickup header. That's nice actually. Fully. There we go. Come on. That was the loudest unboxing I've ever done. Oh my gosh. It might not sound as loud on camera as it did in real life. Holy. Alright. Oh, fully articulated pipe. That's nice. Steering wheel with modern now. So how does the header go on here? Oh, that's that. If you actually look, the header actually articulates. That is so nice. Nice. I'm going to go set this up in the model farm, and then I'll come back to you once I have it set up. Alright, so this is her setup. We have the TN on the thing, and so this is probably going to be released after the video, after the model farm videos are finished. I did notice now, I see this with multiple models. It was on my Fusion 3 when I got it, and I think it was this side shoulder here. There's like this weird white stuff. It's like just wipes it off though. Could be like condensation or something from lying in the box for a while. Another thing I noticed before I even took it out of the box is that the labels are already coming off the decals. Sorry. She has dual tanks, dual additive tanks, fuel exhaust. So I'm assuming it's a twin engine, and I think no, they don't. Thought these opened, but yeah, that's her. That's the model there. That is it. I love the blue on blue, and then the bits of yellow on yellow. That's actually a really nice touch. So I'm going to see how she looks with the mini header in a minute, so just give me a minute, okay? Okay, so I can't really unfold it or put on properly. As you can see, I can just give it a small tug. So I'm going to have to do a couple of adjustments for it to actually attach onto the thing, or look it up. So yeah, it might be on the back of the box or something. But yeah, overall, really good model. I think it was a bit overpriced, but after all, it is a prestige collection. €150. They put a lot of detail in. This is Britain's prestige. A lot of nice detail, like little pipe, and like it's fully articulating steering. This header unfolds. These full bits move to let this unfold. Nothing really mad cool about this. I mean, she wouldn't be really big. So just put on but yeah, overall, really good model. I'm happy with it. And yeah, So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And the only reason I bought this at 150 was because this was a birthday present. My birthday was on Saturday last week. So, yeah. That's it for the Thousand Head article. Should be good for me this time though. But yeah. Overall, very good model. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.